right, guys, we're here at the NIBCO Build booth. The NIBCO Build show. The show must go on. I'm over here with my man Tyler. Tyler, to everybody about the build out, show, because look at this beautiful masterpiece where we have right behind me. I'm stuttering because I'm speechless. I'm looking at this beautiful masterpiece and I'm just like, but guys, listen. I don't know what to tell you. I'm gonna let my man Tyler tell you what's happening. Tyler, tell everybody in the world.
Hey guys.
What are we doing here today?
Well, today we had a group of people. We came up with this boiler. This is a Combi boiler, which means it does its hot water and heating for the whole house. This system operates on a hydraulic separator, where this is this gadget right here. And then we have a 3-zone system operating on circulators. Tomorrow's build will be a Bradford White build, with a couple of similar but a little bit different piping orientation. We will have a couple different gadgets, but it shows a different way of how we can pipe and build boilers.
I love it. I mean, listen, and boilers, listen, there's a reason why they call me Louie the Boiler Man at the beginning. Because listen, Louie the Boiler Man does not only boilers and HVAC, and I always started with boilers. I always got a big passion and love for boilers because boilers is what I started with first when I first started, started the career, and HVAC and plumbing. And I love this because this is cool. And what do you guys do with these actual build outs? I mean, like, you guys build this out, we spend time, we spend money. What do we do with this?
So everything is donated from all the brands. This is it's called the Community Over Competition Boiler Build, sponsored by Webstone, DeWalt, Grundfos, HVAC Tactical, Supply House, NIBCO, TE, all the great brands coming together, donating parts, boilers, and what we do is we all come together and we teach everybody. So not everybody like Louie and I have the opportunity to build systems like this every day. Some people get a chance, they want to learn how to and get their hands on it. So we have a group of people that come together, we have some donated parts, and we prefabricate on site live a 3 or 4 zone system that imitates exactly what you would put inside of a customer's home. Any questions from people is a great way to learn how to get the tools on. It's a great way to learn why and where to put things. And honestly, it's a great time. There's lots of learning. It's been a great experience.
It looks like a lot of fun.
Yeah.
But let me ask you, how many in your team, how many are you together to put this together?
It switches a little bit over the years. This year we had, what was it, 5 guys?
5 guys per build?
Yeah, sorry. So this year we had Mike Flynn, we've got Mary Ann, we've got Francisco Pastor, we've got me, and we've got Ben Poole. So throughout the whole day, they come in, cycle in, everybody donates some time and hours, and then we have 4 people that cycle in every 2 hours so that it's constantly new hands and everybody gets a chance to come in.
Everybody who's watching, in regards to building out something like this masterpiece right here, how long can something like this take? How many people do you need and actually put something like this together?
Yeah, if you have a good crew with people that are aware of what we're doing, it happens a lot faster. If there's a little bit more explaining, it takes a little bit longer. But for the most part, it's about 6 to 8 hours to get to this point.
Okay.
There's, a few more hours to do some finicky stuff like drains and gas and electrical. So there's a lot more to what we just did, but this is the brunt of the system.
I gotta say no more. This shit looks sexy to me. Look at this, man. Look at this. Oh, and I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll let you explain. What are you looking at right here?
This right here is a Webstone. It's called a hydraulic separator. So what happens here is the flow rates that go to and from my boiler are not affected by the flow rates that happen to my system, wherever they might be going. So this is a mixing station to keep the flow rates on the boiler the same all the time.
And if you guys can see it, it looks like an art piece, because you can see the body here. I see the arms and I see the legs. I don't know if you see it, I see it.
We have an air eliminator right here. We've got a tridicator, which is a temperature and pressure gauge. We have spin unions for easy removal if you need to. We actually have a magnetic stem for the first materials that work its way through the system. So anything working its way back here that should not get to the boiler should get caught here, which means I can take the stem out and dump that valve, and all the debris will come out of the separator, protecting the heat exchanger of my boiler.
Guys, this is what I tell you guys by hiring a professional. These are the professionals. These are like the Rambo of boilers, if you ask me.
I like it.
So if anybody there wants to get into this business, what's one thing you would tell, one gem you can give to the young audience right now?
Well, do it if you can. There's not a lot of companies that like offer this, especially at the magnitude of what
Right.
we do it. Practice, trial and error, ask questions, networking. Like no one knows everything. I'm constantly learning. He's constantly learning.
Exactly.
No one will know everything. But we're a family and we're all on the same team. And just a quick conversation and powwow with someone else could just make the world of difference.
Tyler, you said it and you explained it the best.
That's right.
There's nothing else I can say. But guys,
also showcase our GE pump water heater over there.
check it out. Listen. And that wasn't meant to be on the video. No, but now you got a sneak peek, baby. Charlie, explain it something. You explain. You're taking my job.
We have a water tank here with a refrigeration system up top. And this heat pump up here is actually what heats the water. So we don't have any gas on this tank.
No gas. None of that. None of that. That's right. So guys, listen, without further ado, because we got to go to the party. I'm hungry. You hungry?
I'm hungry, my man.
I'm hungry. So we're going to go to the Takeover after party. But guys, if you want to learn more, you want to figure out how to do these things, I would just Google it. Check out Tyler. Check out the HVAC Poppy. But they don't know you, so how can they find you?
Well, I'm Tyler Dines. I'm Dines HVAC on Instagram. That's about it, my man.
Hey, you said no more. So count of three, Wepa?
Wepa.
1, 2, 3, Wepa!
Wepa for the HVAC Poppy, Luis Medina.
It's Louie the Boiler Man, and I am your Boiler Man. Wepa.
Welcome, mi gente. Welcome.
I'm the Boiler Man. That's what I am. And I'm here to fix whatever I can. If you're getting cold and you're feeling blue, call New Your Boiler and I'll be there for you. I wanna heat you, I wanna please you, I wanna fix that boiler all for you. Man, that's what I am. And I'm here to fix whatever I can. If you're getting cold and you're feeling blue, oh, I'm the Boiler Man. Oh, I'm the Boiler Man. Louie, 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 Lou. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. New York Boiler en general va a poner tu casa a enfriar cuando hace calor afuera. El aire no vas a parar. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. Oh, I'm the Boiler Man. Louie, 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 Louie.
Small.